Hi, today we are in Electronic City, Bengaluru to check out the interiors of a 3 BHK house which was done for around 19 lakhs. We will give you details regarding design and materials and also give you the cost breakup. Let's go. The overall cost of the living room, which includes a base cabinet, tall unit, wallpapers, false ceiling and the lighting, is approximately 1 lakh. Now the owners of this house love the color white. Hence the whole house follows a theme of color white with other colors sprinkled here and there in different rooms. Now this is a compact house. So this theme actually gives it a grand but very peaceful look. Now right here in the living room, we have a combination of frosty white and deep black on top. This is a pull-out drawer. We also have a tall unit in deep black on the side. Behind the TV, we have white marble finish, which is a combination of fluted panels, straight panels and mirror putty. This particular design was suggested by the designer but not executed by HomeLane. On the other side of the wall, we have off-white wallpaper with silver patterns on top. This kind of complements the white marble finish on the other side. Same wallpaper also runs across the foyer. This living room has an optimum balance of ceiling lights and pendant lights on both sides.
So we just put this for partition, these 3 lights. And this was the idea of the designer only, how to go about that. We just throw our idea that we need something like that should look big.
This is a U-shaped kitchen. The overall cost of this kitchen, which includes the ceiling light, cove lighting, strip lighting, is approximately 6 lakhs. And you can see white running all across the kitchen. This is galaxy white finish, but the designer has also placed one iron brown cabinet in the center, which breaks the monotony and also kind of becomes an eye catcher as soon as you enter the kitchen. We have jet black granite top. Let's start from here. We have a tall unit here, which is also a pull-out and a kind of an organizer for your plates, glasses, snacks and some grocery items. Next to it, we have a tambor door where you can store your monthly ration so that everything goes inside and your kitchen always maintains a neat look.
There was one thought in mind that nothing should be visible once your kitchen is closed. It should always look neat.
We have hinge doors on this side. We have pull-out drawers for your cutleries. We have some more pull-out drawers here for your bigger pans and pots for your preparation. The corners are always tricky in the kitchen. So on this side, we have 2-door corner. On the other side, we have a magic corner, which is a pull-out. It has organizers inside and also on the panel itself. And it has a soft closure. We also have space for wicker basket for your raw vegetables. The kitchen comes with strip lighting throughout. The loft is push to open mechanism. We always have a few items in kitchen which we use regularly, like tea powder, sugar, salt, and you do not want to find them again and again. So we have a glass shutter with silver metal frame and light inside where you can store your regular items. The overall cost of the master bedroom, including the Aristo wardrobe, dresser unit, false ceiling, lighting and the wallpaper, is around 4.28 lakhs. We have Armadio Aristo wardrobe with champagne color on the outside. On the upper part, we have a reflective surface which kinds of make the bedroom look a little bigger. Inside, the shelves are hazel cambric. The cost of this Armadio Aristo wardrobe is 3.5 lakhs.
I liked it actually because it was giving me a feeling of height completely from top to bottom. You can see everything in one go. And some mirror and everything was coming into that.
The overall cost of this dresser unit is 45,000. Here the white, frosty white has been matched with dark color wooden laminate. The same laminate has also been used around the Aristo wardrobe on the other side of the master bedroom. We have pull-out drawers for this base cabinet. We have fluted glass panels with aluminium frames on the sides. The overall cost of the bedroom, which includes wardrobes, wallpaper, dresser unit, study unit, false ceiling and the light, is approximately 4,09,000. We have the dresser unit here with floating cabinets at the bottom with monsoon white on the outside. On top we have deep black. On side we have 4 cabinets, storage cabinets in deep black color. For the wardrobe, we have sliding doors. Inside the wardrobe, for the cabinets, we have frosty white again. Outside, we have gone with a combination of monsoon white and deep black. Behind the bed, we have a wallpaper which follows similar theme as the rest of the room, monsoon white and deep black color. With the white color walls, we have pulled out the deep black color from the living room and matched it with monsoon white. On this side, we have a 4 feet black study table, and on top we have a set of Cubo module units which serve as storage and display unit as well. The overall cost of the room, including the wallpaper, wardrobe, study unit, false ceiling and the lighting, is around 3,07,000. We have a compact wardrobe with hinged doors, with lacquer finish in white and mirror finish, which also acts as a dresser, and same goes for the loft area. On this side, we have a few shelves for storage / display. Behind the bed, we have a rustic grey color wallpaper which adds to the overall theme of this room. On this side, we have a study unit with a study table in classic grey color. On top, we have 2 storage cabinets in frosty white finish, same as the living room. On this side, we have 2 Cuba module units for display or storage. The whole cost of dining area, which includes the crockery unit, false ceiling, ceiling lights and cove lighting, is around 56,000. We have a crockery unit which is a combination of frosty white and deep black on top again. It has pull-out drawers and glass shutters with aluminium frames and a light inside to showcase your crockery. We are in the puja room. This puja room was suggested as a design by the designer, but however, it was not executed by HomeLane. As per the design, we have 2 wallpapers on the either side with metal frames. In the center, we have a reflected glass surface with cove lighting. For the base cabinets, we are following the same white color theme in the house. We also have 2 pendant lights on the sides, which adds on to the divine vibe of this room. The puja room opens with a combination of glass panels and जाली partitions.
हमारा स्टार्टिंग से एक वो था ड्रीम था
अच्छा।
कि जब भी कोई घर लेंगे उसमें एक पूजा रूम बनाना
प्रॉपर रूम बनाना है,
प्रॉपर रूम जहाँ बैठ के मेडिटेशन हो सकता है, क्योंकि कहीं भी कॉर्नर में हम करते हैं तो आने जाने वाले सब रहते हैं।
हाँ।
तो वहाँ हम एकदम उसको मतलब कंसंट्रेशन नहीं हमारा वो होता है तो एक मेडिटेशन रूम हमको बनाना ही था।
That was all the details regarding the 3 BHK house in Electronic City, which was done for around 19 lakhs. Learn more about house interiors with us. We will be bringing more such videos for you in future. So see you in another home, in another lane. Thank you for watching.